Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 11th, 2021, and we're going to talk about Palantir. You guys can tell the price recently crashed and market went down, and now you're seeing people coming out with videos telling you why the price in Palantir went down, when all in all, you should already expected that we was hitting a restriction point in the market in Palantir and that you needed to expect the price to go down. Welcome to HueFin. We're also known as HueFin News. We're going to give you a realistic price prediction in the market in Palantir. We're not going to look at their earnings release. We don't care about their fundamental analysis. We don't care about technical indicators, technical analysis. We look at what people are doing with their money to determine where price is going to go. If you guys want to learn more, if you guys just want to continue to follow this content because it's simple, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like the video, share the video, tap that bell notification as well. Because I'm gonna keep it real. There's a lot of people on YouTube pumping Palantir, trying to make this like a long-term play, which it may, but they come on YouTube every day talking about it. But if it's a long-term play, come in, do your one video, do your so-called due diligence, and then let it go. You're trying to expect the price in Palantir to go up extremely higher in the long term, correct? So why are you coming in doing videos every day? It seems to me that you're not necessarily a long-term trader then, or investor. You set it and forget it if you're a long-term investor. Just come in, buy the market, and then leave it alone. If price continues to drop, I know so many of you all talk about dollar cost averaging, buy more. Then buy more, and then price continues to drop, you buy more, and then eventually you run out of money. Because these individuals on YouTube is telling you to buy these dips. No, you just don't play in the market when the price is dropping. The market would tell you when the bottom is in, because that's where the buyers come in and they'll show their footprints based on the volume. So let me talk about what happened into the market in Palantir since our last video, because we did a video in the market in Palantir right here on October the 15th, right? We were telling y'all that, yeah, we were going to play the strength into the market in Palantir, but look how far we were expecting the price to go. Look how far. We was looking for the price in Palantir to come up here to like $26, right? That was the point to where we said, be prepared to see the selling, be prepared for the price to go down in Palantir. We told you all that on October the 15th. So for us to see the price down here at $22.50 is not a coincidence. It's not a surprise. It's not, because we expected that on October the 15th. Now, yeah, the price broke outside of our ultimate TP price, which is cool. But we knew that around that price level is where we would expect the selling to start. And that is where it happened, right? So at least 6-7% at the high right here from November the 8th, 11%. All right, that's done. That's over. Now, let me give you the newest updated information in Palantir. Okay, let's see this, because one thing you notice, and I really want everyone to understand that charts do not lie. It is what it is. You guys can see this. We were following this pretty good upward trend into the market in Palantir, right? But then what happened? We broke the trend yesterday on high volume. The volume definitely came in. That tells us a lot. You're still going to see these YouTubers pump up Palantir and tell you that it's a long-term play, telling you to buy it on the dip, tell you to continue to buy it. But the trend broke. The market in Palantir is no longer trending on this ascending line. Well, what does it mean? It means that we're not looking for the price to go up then. It's simple. So yeah, if you're going to dollar cost average, be prepared for the market to be in free fall, because we broke the trend. There's no guarantee as to how low price is going to go now in Palantir, which is why I'm doing this video. We need to try to establish where support can now be. We're not expecting the market in Palantir to be in an upward trend, not right now. So the next outcome that we can see is for this market in Palantir to do this, which is not negative. We can still see the price in Palantir really come in and trade this horizontal line, because look at this. Let me get rid of this ascending line. I wanted to show you, just look at how compact this price in Palantir has been trading in between these two lines, right? Look at this. We just really been trading, majority of this trading action has been within these two lines. I wonder why. Either The market is buying Palantir within those two lines because they're expecting in the long term price to be exceedingly higher than where it is now, or they are selling Palantir because they know that the market's going to dip and break $20 to the downside. It's either or, right? So currently, from my premise, I'm expecting that the market is buying up Palantir in this range because in the long term, they're looking for the market to go higher, right? So everything's going to hinge on this horizontal line right here. Everything. If we're not able to see the price in Palantir at least uphold $20, right? $21, we're going to go back down to 18. That would be the next likely point to see support into the market in Palantir. Okay. So let me show you what we have on a 2-day time frame then. So look what's going on to the market in Palantir on the 2-day, right? The market is weak. Now I am seeing support right there around $22. I am. But the next biggest area that we can see that has already been established is right there around 21 to 20. That's the biggest area that the market in Palantir cannot break below, right? And now, seeing that we also broke this line, is going to act as restriction, 24. If we would have seen the price in Palantir uphold $24, meaning that we didn't fall below it, then I will be looking for the market to test this upward $30 price range sooner. But we broke below that. So now $24 is now restriction 2 within this consolidational trading range. So what I'm telling you is when you look at charts, right, it already reads everything we need to know without the confusion. While everyone else who's trying to pinpoint and talk about fundamental analysis, they don't understand how the market works. Because back here, listen, check this out. Back here on September the 16th, right? This is the 3-day price bar. We've seen already how the market got rejected at $30. We've seen that. Cool. Then price in Palantir went down. We went back up. We saw the market even make lower highs on this last completed 3-day price bar. So you kind of got a gist as to what the market is doing. We're going down. We're seeing weakness in Palantir. That is the current trend to the market in Palantir right now. So this is the 5-day time frame, right? Look at this. Just like what we saw here. So over the next couple of 5 days, if the market is able to recover from this long spread movement to the downside, then yeah, we're going to consolidate, right? We're expecting the market to not give us too much price movement, and we're expecting the market to consolidate. Okay. Now the thing I want you all to see here, even though we have 3 days left into the market in Palantir, or a day and 9 hours left, I want you all to look at this on a 3-week time frame. Look at that. Doesn't it look familiar to the last 3 price bar, which was on September the 13th? Does it not look familiar? Yeah, they're pretty much identical. And you guys can see what the outcome has been. Price has been going down in Palantir. So it lets you know what the people are really thinking. There are not that many buyers into the market in Palantir right now. So what we're going to do is, okay, since the people doesn't want to come in and buy Palantir, we're going to continue to predict that price is going to go down. But like I said, just relax, calm down. As you guys can see, the price do move lower. Price does go down. Okay. We already seen the price decrease in Palantir 16%, right? So imagine the people who bought Palantir at $27 based off what some other YouTuber was talking about, and price is now down 16%. So yeah, you got to expect these market moves to go down. It's a disservice for anyone that is only telling you that markets go up. So here we are. We're going to play the weakness here in the market in Palantir then. I mean, the information is there. I'm not convincing you. I'm showing you literally what the market is dictating and where it's trying to go. Now, we don't have to go far. Like I said, I'm not overly bearish into the market in Palantir outside of what happens on the 3-day 3 weeks time frame, right? So I'm looking for the market initially to try to come down to like $21.50, right? That would be the first spot. $21.50. That's about what, 4.75%. All the way back down to like $20.75. I can see that. That's pretty much it, right? But I'm gonna bring it down to 20. Okay. Now I want to show you this, because if the market in Palantir continues to show us weakness on the 3 weeks time frame, check this out. I want to get you prepared for this already. I'm looking for the market to come a lot lower, maybe around $18. Definitely $19.25. So if this 3 weekly price bar looks the way that it looks right now, yeah, I'm looking for it to come down to $19.25. I'm already looking forward to it. But we got a day and 9 hours left. So give me a day and 9 hours. And if it looks the way that it looks now, we're going to go a lot lower than what our prediction is. Okay. So let me bring this over and let me go ahead. And I've already told you that $24 is restriction, but I'm going to give us a little cushion and let the market restriction now be around 26. Okay. So that is it. You guys can see that the market currently is giving us some weakness. We might just consolidate, which is even better outlook for us to see this price in Palantir maintain its upward trend. That would be a good thing too, which is why I'm not necessarily playing that massive weakness right now. But give me the 3 week time frame on the conclusion, the next day and 9 hours, and then we'll come back in and talk. All right. So that's it. Let me know your price prediction into the market in Palantir. Where do you all think this market is headed over the next 3 weeks? Hit me up. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.